them more? Okay, so we have a long copper wire, and we're given its mass, it's carrying a current, and it's perpendicular to the magnetic field, so that's important, so we know it will experience a force. This apparatus is placed in a strong magnetic field, and the wire is found to levitate. Okay, so levitate means just like stay the same, right? It doesn't get pushed down or it doesn't get pushed up. So what do we know about its force then? The overall net force will be 0, okay? Because it's levitating, so we think about that as like not moving. So F net will equal 0. Even though it has a magnetic force, it will overall equal 0. So now, since we're dealing with a current, a wire, we can look at FG is relevant, okay? Because, you know, it's like a wire like this. If I drop it, gravity is applicable, yes? Okay. So the way that I did this is, so if we have like our current here, and it's experiencing a magnetic field and gravitational. So these will equal together F net equals 0. So if I draw this, it's F net is equal to Fm plus negative Fg because it's the opposite in vector direction. So since this is 0, Fm is equal to Fg for this question in particular. This is not like, doesn't apply to every single one. You're going to have to draw your free body diagram and determine your formula, but for this one, Fm is equal to Fg. Okay, so let's write out everything else we know. Our length that's perpendicular to magnetic field is 0.12 meters. Our mass, we are given it in 9.02 grams. We need to put that into kilograms though, because we're going to deal with force of gravity, so we need our kilograms. So divide by 1,000. And we have 9.02 times 10 to the power of negative 3 kilograms. And we're also told our current. So, and what am I trying to find out? I'm trying to find out Fm. I mean, B, sorry. Strength of magnetic field, not force. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand Fm and Fg so that I can solve for this. So Fm, I can say is I times L perpendicular times by B. And Fg is equal to M times G. So I want to solve for my B, so I'm going to rearrange. So B is equal to M times G over I times L perpendicular. So now I can just plug in the data that I'm given. Okay, so this is 0.14458 Tesla. So to sig digs, I have 0.145. Oh, units. Something different?